Who doesn't want to have a cool glass of lemonade on a hot summer day? Well, I got mine. I can show you how to make yours. Well, I'm Nirmal. Welcome to Spicy New, and let's pluck some lemons first. Trust me, man. You should have that. Alright, let's do this. Alright, well, it's pretty easy. All you need is some lemon, salt, sugar, water. That's all you need. Okay, fire on, pan on. I'm gonna put 1 cup of water and 1 cup sugar. Turn down the heat and bring it to a simmer. You can see it started bubbling. So with your wooden spoon, give a stir gently. Let it dissolve all the sugar with the water. It's a basic sugar syrup. Now you can see all the sugar has been dissolved in the water completely. What you got to do is turn off the fire and leave it to cool it down. While the sugar syrup has been cooling down, so let's juice our lemons. Well, for me it took 8 lemons to fill 1 cup. So for you it may depend on the size of the lemons that you pick. Okay, first of all, lemon juice goes in and the sugar syrup. 3 cups of water and a little bit of salt. I put like a 1/4 teaspoon. What we're gonna do is we're gonna chill it for about an hour. Isn't it good? Well, I hope you liked the video and steps that I took to make this beautiful lemonade. Well, if you have any questions, don't forget to comment on the comment section. So I hope you did like my video, and please subscribe to it and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in another video. But until then, I'm gonna have that.